everyone, this is Sonia. I wanted to share a website that I created called Alter Eco, and I coded it using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Those are the coding languages I incorporated, and this is an example of some of the code that I have written for this website. Here's another example. So now let's go on to the website. So this is the homepage of Alter Eco. The main purpose is to address the current climate crisis, strive for sustainability, and inform users about habits that they can incorporate into daily life to change the current status quo. So the first section talks about what the climate crisis is, what is climate change. It also has some fun images and interesting infographics. So you can mouse over each infographic and learn more about climate change. The next section is the causes and effects of climate change, where we list information about each, as well as another infographic to make it easier to get quick information. The next page is the What Can You Do page. This talks about different habits that you can take up to preserve Mother Earth. We have infographics adding to the visual appeal, giving really easy tidbits that everyone can follow along to. The next section is talking about habits that you can incorporate. These are very simplistic things that you can do that can drastically change your impact, your carbon emissions, for example, transportation, eating vegetarian and vegan meals. The next section is a interactive feature. It's a to-do list, so it incorporates different things that you can do. So for example, you can start typing your task that you want to complete. So if I say recycle, I can add that to my lists of tasks. Once I've completed it, I can click on it to cross it off. I can add as many items as I want, and once I've completed those items, I can click the X to get rid of it. The next page is the Resources tab. This is a multimedia and interactive page that has multiple different features for accessibility purposes. So you can get your information through podcasts that are linked to Spotify.
Hi, I'm Greya and this is The Climate.
So you can listen to each one. We have also added links to YouTube videos that you can watch.
All life on Earth, from
The next section has interesting research and statistics about climate change, a lot of graphs, visual information, and at the very bottom there are buttons to credible sources where you can get more information and do your research. So, for example, the NASA webpage. You can learn more about different emissions, get more news, information. Lastly, the technology page is a page that talks about a lot of new and innovative companies that are trying to take action. So each image is a actual product, and once you hover over it, you can identify the different objects, and clicking on the picture leads to information about each product. Then there's also a section that talks about unique companies and tech startups that are working and battling the climate crisis. For example, a very interesting company is Ecosia, which is a search engine that you can use for research, whatever you'd like. And for every 100 searches, they plant a tree on your behalf. So you can click any of these links, any of these images, and that's Alter Eco. Thank you.